Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country here with yet another great winch option for the Ford Bronco. All right, what I've got for you is our winch mount for the OE steel modular bumper on the Bronco. If you're the type of person that wants their winch front and center, this is the option for you. This design allows for easy access to the winch and just looks mean mounted to the front of the Bronco. The mount's made from 1/4-inch steel and also includes 1/4-inch spacers so you can retain your factory tow hooks. It comes with an optional 20-inch light bar, and if you choose not to get that light bar, we include a block-off plate that looks excellent. The design is also going to allow you to keep your adaptive cruise control so you don't have to choose between comforts on-road and security off-road. The mount's designed to accept a 9,500-pound or larger winch as long as it's got the standard 4.5-inch by 10-inch footprint. So if your Bronco is equipped with the factory modular steel bumper, one of the best looking factory bumpers I've ever seen, I might say, you're gonna want our winch mount specifically for that bumper to set it off and make sure you've got easy access to your winch when you need it. Get this and every other Bronco accessory available right now at roughcountry.com.